Hey, welcome back to Blackryu Fitness, the ultimate destination for all fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle building workouts, and I will reveal the best workout to gain muscle fast. Now, building lean muscle mass not only enhances your physique, but it also increases your strength, boosts your metabolism, and improves your overall performance. In this video, I'll cover a comprehensive workout plan designed to maximize muscle growth, focusing on compound movements, progressive overload, and proper rest and recovery. I'll walk you through each exercise, explaining the correct form, technique, and the muscles targeted. So without further ado, let's get ready to build some serious muscle. Warm up. Before starting any intense workout, it's crucial to prepare your body with a proper warm up. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on dynamic stretching and light cardio exercises like jumping jacks, high knees, or quick jog. This will increase blood flow, warm up your muscles, and decrease the risk of injury. Squats. The squat is a fundamental compound movement that targets your lower body, primarily your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart with a barbell resting on your upper back. Engage your core, bend your knees and hips, and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Drive through your heels to return to a starting position. Now perform 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps with a challenging weight. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are an excellent full body exercise that works with your posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and lats. Stand with your feet hip width apart and gripping a loaded barbell with an overhand or mixed grip. Bend at the hips and knees, keeping your back straight. Lift the barbell by extending your hips and knees, maintaining a tight core and a straight back throughout the movement. Lower the barbell back to the ground with control. Complete 3 sets of 5 to 6 reps using a heavy weight. Bench press. The bench press is a classic upper body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lie on a flat bench with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Grip the barbell with your hands slightly wider than your shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell to your chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle from your body. Press the barbell back up to the starting position. Perform 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Standing military press. The standing military press targets your shoulders, specifically the deltoids, while also engaging your triceps and core. Standing with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a barbell at shoulder height with an overhand grip. Engage your core and press the barbell overhead until your arms are fully extended. Slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position. Perform 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Barbell rows. Barbell rows are an effective exercise for building a strong back, targeting your lats, your rhomboids, and traps. Stand with your feet hip width apart, holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Bend your knees slightly and hinge forward at the hips, keeping your back straight. Pull the barbell towards your lower chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together as you lift. Lower the barbell back down with control, and repeat. Complete 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dips. Dips are a great compound exercise for developing your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Use a parallel bar or a dip station and place your hands on the bars with your arms fully extended. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground. Keeping your torso upright, press back up to the starting position by extending your arms. Perform 4 sets of as many reps as possible. Cool down. After completing your muscle gaining workout, it's important to cool down and stretch your muscles. Spend 5 to 10 minutes on a static stretching, targeting the muscle groups you've worked during the session. This helps to reduce muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and promote recovery. This muscle gaining workout combines the most effective compound exercises to target all the major muscle groups, ensuring well-rounded growth and development. You can do all these exercises in one workout session, and you'll be able to compete all within an hour and a half. I recommend doing this workout on 2 consecutive days, followed by 2 rest days. This will ensure that your muscles are getting proper rest. Make sure that you are eating plenty of protein to get the best results out of this workout routine. Remember to stay consistent with your training and focus on progressive overload by gradually increasing the reps, or sets over time. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking to gain muscle. I love to hear your thoughts on this workout, so be sure to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to Blackryu Fitness and turn on notifications so you will never miss any such insightful bodybuilding videos packed with valuable fitness advice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep pushing your limits and striving for greatness.